ababwatani ba Linda Mwananchi kuroiga sorugongo rwa Gusii igo na barabori tukoria rero banyara ko merana abegosanga ebirengere byabo na kubwa mono kuburia kwabo ase serikali ya matukaiga igo bono banyari kwemurunganirio kokonga kubugima ano mono kirabo kwanira ligori ryo sogukina kwe ligori rya maguta ya petroli ime yense ya Kenya abasayabo abagosanga asembeo.
Yes, I am Frida Onduso. I am here in Gusii region. Pamoja na my youths from Linda Mwananchi. This is a national representation. For a long time, the youth have been just but a decoration in the political processes of this country. We have been told that we have to swallow the tranquilizing pill of gradualism, that gradually we will get leadership. Gradually, fuel prices are going to go down. But just yesterday, the government has blatantly ignored the voice of the common Mwananchi by adding mafuta by 40 shillings. It has never been heard, and we are not going to condone it. 40 shillings means we are cutting out the very people the government purports to represent from any economic processes of this country. We have people at the Mamamboga level. We have our parents working, and as youths, we are very humiliated. It seems hard work does not reward. It is not rewarding, and it's very humiliating to have the working class, people that have gone to school and yet they lack employment, as the young people being told that gradually, someday, sometime, with all this ambiguity, that one day we might take power and maybe, just maybe, you will let us lead. And when we speak, what do they say? They say we have become rebellious and disrespectful. So here is our statement. We are going to be rebellious as long as it is going to serve the people of this great nation that we care so much about. We are the group that is going to live the longest with the decisions you are making today. And that is why we are saying that we are not just asking to be part of the conversations. We are not just asking to come to the negotiation table. We are telling you very sternly today that we are the table. Ama namna gani?
Yes. Same for the youth of this country to realize that the time to be leaderless is over. The time to be formless is over. The time to be partyless is over. It is time to politically align yourself. It is time to look for a leader, look for a party which you and the ideologies of that party marry and become a member of a movement. And the Linda Mwananchi movement is the only movement that recognizes the young people.